Hello friends, in this video I will going to start learn PHP array function. First of all, what is array in PHP language? An array is a one type of variable in PHP language that store multiple values in a single variable. First I have show you how to define array in PHP. Array can be defined by using this array function. This function is used to create an array. For example, I want to store a color name in one single color variable. So I have write color variable is equal to array function, and in this function I have write color name one by one in string format. I have write red, green, blue color name and store into one single variable. This way we can store multiple value into one single variable color. This three color has stored in three different index position. Red is stored on 0 index position, green is stored on 1 index position, and blue is stored on 2 index position. Now suppose I want to print this color name. So now I have show you how many ways you can access this array value. First, you can simple write echo statement with variable name color and write it index position. Suppose you want to print red, then write 0. Suppose you want to print green, then write 1, and suppose you want to print blue, then write 2. But here I want to print green, then I have write 1 index position and check output in browser. But suppose you want to print all color name. So at that time you can use loop like for loop, or even you can also use for each loop. First I have show you how to access all array value by for loop. So I have write for syntax with for open and close bracket, and between bracket I have $i is equal to 0, I less than count function with parameter color variable like in last type ++. Here I value is started by 0 and I value must be less than count function with parameter color variable. Here count function count the number of element in array, here is 3, so I less than 3, and lastly 1 every interval value I must be increased by 1. In this block of code I have write echo statement with color variable with index like $i. Here I have defined the color variable index by I variable, and on every interval of for loop value of I will increase, and on every interval it will display color name. Now I have saved this code and check in output in browser. Now I have show you how to access the value of array by using for each loop. So I have write for each loop open and close bracket, and between bracket I have write color variable as row variable. In this every loop iteration the value of current color array element is assigned to row variable, and array pointer is moved by 1, until it reaches the last element of array. In PHP there are three types of array. One is indexed array, associative arrays, and multidimensional array. In indexed arrays, arrays with numeric index; in associative arrays, array with name keys; and in multidimensional arrays, arrays containing one or more arrays. This is the syntax of indexes arrays, which I have already discussed earlier. This is the syntax of associative array. There is two parameter, one is key which specifies the key, and second is value which specifies the value. Now friends, I have show you how to write associative. For associative, first I have write variable name color is equal to array function, and in this function I have write key which is 1 and its value red. In second line I have write 2 which is key and its value green, and last I have write 3 which is 3 and its value green. This way we can write associative array. Now I want to print this associative array using for each loop. For this I have write for each loop open and close bracket, and between bracket I have write color variable as key variable with value variable. In block of this loop I want to print the key with its value, so I have write echo statement with key variable which print key of associative array and value variable which print value of associative array one by one. Save this code and check output in browser. Now friends, I have moved to multidimensional array. An array containing one or more arrays is called multidimensional array. First I have write simple multidimensional array. For example, I have stored different color with the item of that color. For this I have write color variable is equal to array function, and within this function I have write three keys with color name like red, green and blue. Now I want to store red color item in red color, so in red color key and in its value I have write again one array with red item name. Same I have store green color item in green color, and same way blue color item in blue color. So this way we can define multidimensional array in PHP. Now I want to print this array in format like first write color name and then after list of item of that color. So I have write for each loop with color variable as keys with value variable. Here color variable keys like red, green and blue store into keys variable, and item of that color is stored into value variable. First I want to print the name of color, so I have write echo statement with string color name with keys variable. This code will print the name of all color one by one. Now I want to print the item of that color below the name of color, so I have again write for each loop with value variable which I have get from above for each loop, and in which store name of particular color item as subrow variable. By subrow variable we can access the item name of each color one by one. Now I want to print that color item, so I have write echo statement with text color item with subrow variable. This will print the all item of particular color one by one. Now I have saved this code and check output in browser. So friends, this is my video tutorial on array in PHP. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends, or even you can on social media also. Friends, you want to get more update of my video, so friends you can subscribe my YouTube channel. Friends, you can also like my Facebook page also, or you can also follow web